Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to jump start an Audi A4. Begin by confirming the Audi A4 battery location and removing any covers, then park the donor car nose to nose with a few inches clearance. Turn off both ignitions, lights, and accessories, and set both parking brakes. Use gloves and eye protection for safety. I will now walk you step by step through cable connection order, cranking tips, and post-start checks. Follow these connection steps carefully to avoid sparks and damage. Start by attaching the red clamp to the Audi A4 positive terminal, then secure the red clamp to the donor car positive terminal. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal, and finally clamp the other black lead to an unpainted chassis ground on the Audi, away from the battery. Keep cables clear of moving parts, then start the donor and proceed to cranking the A4. If you find this guide useful, please subscribe and hit like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: grab the leak-proof meal prep containers I love for carrying sandwiches and sauces without spills. They fit neatly in glove boxes or trunks and save time on the go. I link them in the description along with other deals, so check that out when you can. And now let's get back to the video. With cables attached correctly, start the donor car and let it idle for a few minutes to charge the battery. Attempt to start the Audi A4 with steady key turns. If it does not start within 10 seconds, pause 30 seconds and try again. Once the A4 starts, remove clamps in reverse order: black from chassis, black from donor, then red from the Audi. Keep the engine running for at least 15 minutes to recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.